if the user wants to be remembered when, or like after he fills his information, and it's very, very vital because some users may want you to remember them on that device, and some users may not really want you to remember them on that device. So what we're going to do now, we're going to look for in our React, we're going to look for this, a checkbox. So let's get checkbox here. Okay, now can we get checkbox that on change? Exactly. This is what we need. Now we're going to import it first of all. Capture our code, our login, material UI, import the checkbox. Now the checkbox will have different state, true or false, which is this. And in terms of it being unchanged, just copy this, and then we're going to put checked field. I'm going to paste this. Then the unchanged, we're going to do this on the, no, we need the checkbox first. Unchanged. Do this, copy this. Then we'll go to before the button and create a p tag and paste it. And we can, let me see here, impute array control. Let's see how that looks. Handle change is not defined. Let us remove this. Okay, so checked. That's how it looks. Okay, it's over here. Now we want this to be at the edge here. So we're going to say, we're going to change this into a div, and we're going to say align left. Okay, now after the checkbox, we need to put a remember me. Okay, it's not changing. Okay, that's because it is change equals to function, an arrow function, which is set checked to you can use them events. Let's put event here. Event dot target dot value. And then over here, we don't want this to be true. We want this to be false at first. It's not changing. Do we actually need like a checked? Hold on. Do we actually need checked? Well, no, we don't really need this. What we're going to do is that we're just going to tell it to change the value to whatever we set it to be. We're going to change this. We're not going to do two-way binding. We're just going to say set the check to the value. And depends on the value the checkbox gives us. Can we trust that value always? Let's just do it here. Let's say constant remember me. Set name. Remember me. Okay. Use states. Okay. So now we're going to say at first it is false. Yes, let's say false. Then because it's not going to be checked at all, so unchanged sets remember me. Okay. But we also want to know the value of this. What exactly is inside this event target? So let's do logs. and let's see what exactly is inside the remember me on. It's just saying on. Nah. And let me go through this again. Have the checkbox. I've set remember the value. I don't want to do a previous and like previous state, change it to true or change it to false kind of situation. Okay, let's try something here. Let us go back to remember me here, and let's not give it anything. Then let's come back here and say set remember me. Okay, let's leave that as that, and then let's come here and say console log remember me. Okay, I see the issue here. Silly me. The checkbox in material UI is the value is gotten from event.target.checked, not event.target.value. So this is supposed to be checked. So it should work right now. Let's refresh this. Let's clear this. Let's go to login. So it's okay now. It's working between true and false. So we have that set. So what we're going to do over here, we're going to now come here and say remember me. I will say remember user. Okay. And also we need to remove that console up here. So if we user type react at gmail.com, types of password and set this and sign it up. It says remember user true. If the user removes this and clicks, it says remember user false. So that will be all for this application. We can see it's working perfectly. You can get it, the link of the full code in the description below. Make sure to follow my GitHub account. Also make sure to subscribe. And if there's anything, any components you want or any project you want to see a video on, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you and bye-bye.